Hi everyone, quick example here to help you out with 12.5. Little angle puzzle. I've added a little segment there to for us to be able to do a second angle. They have given us that angle NBM is 52 degrees. Recall that we have a angle here that is intercepting this arc. That relationship is times 2 because this is an inscribed angle, not a central angle, which means that this arc is 104 degrees, twice as much. This central angle right here intercepts the exact same arc, and the relationship from central angle to arc is equivalent. So this is 104 degrees at that central angle. Now let's shift our attention to that angle MNL, this unknown angle down here that they're asking for. Again, focusing on what angle is being what arc is being intercepted by that angle, we have arc ML. And what's important for us to be able to solve this problem is recognizing that the entirety of NML is 180 degrees because we know that NL right there is a diameter. So all of that is 180 degrees, which means that for just arc ML, we can take, let's see, the measure of arc ML is going to be the entirety of that 180 degrees, but I can go ahead and subtract away that 104 degrees to get 76 degrees right there. That's arc ML. So now we're going to have the measure of angle MNL, which is associated with that arc, is going to be 76 divided by 2. It's going to get us 38 degrees right there. Hope that helps you out with the other problems from 12.5.